Alright, so this is the unboxing and first look at the Bose 700 noise cancellation headphones. So we can begin this unboxing by lifting the top of the box to see the headphones stored in a hard shell case. And inside the box we also get some documentation and some setup instructions. And so that's pretty much all you get inside this box. We can go ahead and close this box up and take a closer look at the headphones. Alright, now we can unzip the hard shell case like that. And we have the headphones placed nicely inside the case. We'll take a look at them in a second. Now we can move this card aside and we'll get this small compartment where some of the charger and audio cables are located. So with the headphones we get this audio cable if you want to listen to them wired instead of wirelessly. And we also get a USB-C charger. According to Bose, it'll take about 2.5 hours to get a full charge with these headphones. Alright, and now we can close this up, and I have to say this is a very well made case. I really would have no worries about these headphones being damaged if they're in this case and I were to travel with them or anything like that. And here we have the headphones. So my first reaction is that they seem to be well made. They feel premium and look very nice. They also come in both a black and white color, but I decided to go with the black color. And as far as the weight goes, the 700s weigh about 9 ounces. The carrying case weighs about 6.25 ounces. The headphones are 8 inches in height, 6.5 inches in width, and 2 inches in depth. And if we take a look at the air cups, they're actually made with leather, and they have these letters marked inside to tell you which air the cups will sit at. On the right air cup, we have the power and Bluetooth button. This button will basically be used to power on the headphones as well as pair it to your phone. And then below that, we have a voice assistant button as well, and this can also be used as a mute button. On the left air cup, we have a button to cycle through the noise cancellation modes. You can customize the noise cancellation levels all through the Bose app. For example, if I need a moderate level of noise cancellation like when I'm commuting, or a high level of noise cancellation like when I'm on a train or plane, I can easily set all of that through the Bose app. And also, the charging and audio ports are located below each air cup, and this is where you can plug in those audio and charging cables that I showed earlier. So you don't get any physical buttons with this headphone, but you do get this touch sensitive area, and this is where you can control the volume and the play and pause and all of those good stuff. So you can double tap the touch sensitive area to play and pause the audio. You can also swipe forward and back, and this will basically skip tracks or go back to a previous track. And then to change the volume, you can just simply swipe up and down. To adjust the position of the air cups, you can grab an air cup like this and slide the headband up or down. This actually doesn't have the hinges that you would see on a pair of Bose headphones like the QC45. The headband and cushion are very soft, and I would have no problem having them on my head for a long period of time. The interior cushion goes all the way to the air cups, while the exterior cushion only sits on the top. My initial impressions of the sound quality have been pretty good. I've tried a wide range of music and they sound excellent. The bass is rich but not overpowering, and the mids and highs are clear. You can EQ the sound all through the Bose app, which is great if you want your sound to be customized. Now, as far as the noise cancellation goes, it works great. I love being able to customize it through the app, and I haven't really found an issue with it. Anyways, that is the unboxing and first impressions of the Bose 700 headphones. Let me know if you want to see any more videos with these headphones, and I'll see you guys in the next video.